Do BC nurses have any protective rights in case of disability? No, they don't. Not with a standard workplace contract. I was permanently disabled through a workplace injury, awarded benefits through my collective agreement, then had them stripped away and was ultimately fired for being disabled. Go to Deny Disability and learn how your unionized workplace contracts inadequately protect your rights if you become disabled in BC. I was a nurse in BC until permanent disability ended my career. My employer denied my accident ever took place, deleted the medical records from my employment history, and ridiculed my disability. They blatantly refused to hear my grievance, and in the end, fired me after 25 years of service. My union said they could do nothing with an employer who refused to cooperate with the grievance process. Independent medical examiners perverted my surgical history and sent prejudicial opinions to the insurer. The plan administrator refused to look into my claim of unjust denial of long-term disability benefits. I went to the BC Supreme Court in the hopes of receiving a fair review of my unjust denial of long-term disability benefits. The judge said the courts had been emasculated by the Labor Relations Board, and that he was powerless to do anything. He could hear my petition to the court, but was not allowed to make any ruling or give an opinion on the merits of my case. He had his rights as a judge stripped away by the same people who are in control of your workplace rights. Everything at denyeddisability.ca was presented in sworn affidavit form before the BC Supreme Court, and the court ruled there was no fraud in my petition. It is just the disturbing truth about living and working in BC as a nurse and what happens when disability strikes and you have to deal with medical professionals who violate your rights in BC.